Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. In addition to vitamins A, C, and K, they also contain iron, magnesium, and potassium. This not only adds strength to your hair, but also prevents it from falling out. Next, you're going to need about 10 mint leaves. When it comes to mint, it helps to strengthen hair follicles and cause hair to grow more quickly. Also, it prolongs the hair fall cycle. When it is used regularly applied to the scalp, it has the ability to keep the hair retained in its follicle for longer. This means with regular use, the hair will become thicker and will fall out less frequently. Next, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of ginger. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair. Next, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of rosemary. Rosemary is one of the best herbs for enhancing hair growth, which thickens the hair. It also helps to eliminate dirt, strengthens follicles, provides moisture to the scalp, and also minimizes breakage. It is also believed to increase cellular metabolism that stimulates hair growth. You just want to take all the ingredients and place them into a pot of boiling water. You will need 2 cups of water, and then you allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's finished boiling, then you'll just remove it from the heat and allow it to sit and cool down before straining it. Once you finish straining the tea rinse, then you just want to place it into a spray bottle for easier application. When it comes to the shelf life of this DIY, when not in use, you just want to place it into the refrigerator and it will last 3 to 4 weeks. When it comes to the application of this DIY, you can use it as a tea rinse or you can use it as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a tea rinse, you can use it as often as you wash your hair. All you would have to do is shampoo your hair first, and then you would just spray the tea rinse all over your hair from root to ends. Let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then you want to rinse it out and then follow up with your deep conditioner and style your hair as usual. When using it as a leave-in, you can apply it to wet or dry hair. You'll just lightly spray it all over your hair from root to ends, and then you want to follow up with your favorite hair oil or butter to seal in the moisture, and you can do this 1 to 2 times a week. So when it comes to the leftover tea rinse, you want to just go ahead and place it into the refrigerator and it'll last about 3 to 4 weeks. Or you can also do the ice tray method, where you'll take the tea rinse and place it into ice trays and then place it into the freezer, and it'll last about 6 to 8 months. So that way it's easier for you to just take out what you need at the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.